Hello, welcome to our little testimonial interview here with Maria. So I met Maria, or met, in I think like 2015, 14, 15, yeah.
Yeah.
She reached out via email, inquired about my classes, and we went back and forth. She finally joined us for one of our free classes we do once a month on a Saturday. It went well for her. She decided to do the 2-week trial. It went well for her. And then she joined our classes and made great success up until she had some injuries in her spine. I'll let her tell you about it. But then we had a big break in between, and she came back, 2 years ago?
After the surgery on my wrist, I had to stop
Oh, that's
because
right.
I had surgery on my wrist for a year.
Yeah.
But I've been back before that.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
she came back, and she came back because she went to the doctor because she was having low back pain. And the doctor wanted to do surgery. And I told her, I don't think you need surgery after talking to her. She came and got some treatment. I gave her some exercises, and the back pain went away pretty quickly. She rejoined the classes and has been with us ever since and has made amazing progress. So we're going to go back and forth with some questions to find out how Maria is so successful. So Maria, before you started with us, what were you doing? Different practitioners and exercise programs that you were doing.
Yeah. I actually worked with a trainer for probably 6 years before that, and she stopped because of injuries that she had gotten while marathon running. It was a combination of Pilates and yoga, and I did pretty well with that. But then after I stopped, it was not a good thing. So I heard about SolCore and emailed with Ikemba and did the trial class, which was incredibly hard because I also have severe osteoporosis, which is why I broke 3 vertebrae. And Ikemba in the recovery process has been incredibly helpful in accommodating that to the point where now, after how many years? 3 full years after that, I am without pain. I can do a lot of things that I wasn't able to do before. So it's been an incredible program for me.
Awesome. How did you find me? How did you find SoCore Fitness?
I think I found it on the internet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I was looking for somebody after my trainer stopped. And so I did some research on the internet and found you. But I had some questions because it was a very different kind of training than I had done before. Yeah. And so I wanted to make sure with the condition that I had that I was not going to injure myself further. And that hasn't happened, no.
So was that the defining factor in joining us? Like the fact that you went through the free trial and through the 2-week trial, and then you felt pretty decent?
I felt definitely better, and the pain was less. So I thought, I'm gaining, and I'll just try it and see what happens because I'm not a fan of taking a lot of pain medication. So
here's a fun question, because what we do is very different. It's quite challenging physically, mentally, a little emotionally too. What were your struggles and your challenges as you went through the program?
Well, I thought the first 3-4 months were really hard. I could see progress, but it came at a price. But after about 3 months, things started to feel a lot better. I mean, no pain. I had more energy. The challenges are the brain-body connection, which we did not do in training before. Anything I've done before, there isn't that brain-body connection, which at my age, I think is incredibly important.
Yeah, I tell people all the time, like being present in this routine is huge, because if you just blindly follow what I say, you won't get it. But if you think and try, like any skill, eventually you become your best therapist and trainer. because now I give you an exercise that's good for you. Super confusing in the beginning, don't know what you're doing. But after practicing for a while and listen to me blabble on, eventually you get an aha.
Yeah.
Then once you get that aha, now you don't need to listen to me. You go back to your reservoir of what you know, and now you can take care of yourself.
Yeah.
So, after all this time, what type of results have you gotten?
I have definitely diminished the pain that I had before because of the broken vertebrae. I still have occasional lapses, and Ikemba is supremely helpful in doing, do you call it physical therapy or
I can't say physical therapy.
the
Osteopathic?
osteopathic
Manual-
adjustments?
don't say adjustments. Osteopathic manual therapy.
Manual therapy, which has been incredibly helpful, and usually 1 or 2 treatments send me right on my way to feeling good. The increased energy, and I say it again, when you get older, your brain is not necessarily connected to your big toe. And that is incredibly helpful.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So how has this improved your life? What's your life like now? The big question.
That's an incredible question, considering that I'm trying to pack up my house and moving.
Oh, I know.
But I function better. I have stamina that I did not have before. After the breaks in my back, I could not do any gardening, which is one of my favorite pastimes. And I still, have to pace myself, but I can do an hour or an hour and a half at a time. While before that, I could not do any.
Yeah.
So it has improved my quality of life to a large degree.
Well, I know you've got a lot of results here, but I want to thank you for being you. It has been a joy to get to know you, to talk to you, to interact with you. As she mentioned, she's packing up. Unfortunately, she has to move to Oregon. We're going to miss her dearly. I'm going to miss you dearly. And I want to say thank you so much for trusting in me and for sticking with it. It's been an amazing ride for myself as well. So thank you so much. You're welcome.